Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to download Disney Plus app on your Mac. As you might have already noticed, Disney Plus is not available in the App Store. Let me search for that. You can see that you cannot find it here. That's because there is no such app, but I'm gonna show you how to create a web app, which is gonna be just a shortcut to a web page, so you can easily access it without opening your browser and searching for Disney Plus. So in order to do that, you need to open Safari, and it has to be Safari because it won't work in other browsers. Then search for Disney Plus. Go to the website, you can log in or whatever, and then click on File in the top bar and click on Add to Dock. Then you can change the name. I would not suggest changing the URL, just click on Add, and you can see that it's added to your dock. So when you close out of Safari, now you can open Disney Plus by just clicking on it, and it opens and it looks like an actual app, not like web browser. And you can also access it via Spotlight search, like that, as you can see, and also in the Launchpad, it will be here. You can remove it from the dock by clicking on it with right click or both fingers to open the context menu, then options, then unselect keep in dock. Then when you quit the app, it will disappear and it will still be here. So to delete it from here, just slide it to the trash and then click on remove. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.